Good morning, guys. How are y'all today? Me and Autumn's out here messing around in the yard, fixing to pull out the lawnmower and see why it is cutting too short on one side or in the middle. I don't know. She's out here checking the chickens. She's got a chicken out. Did you get her back in?
No, she's in the front.
Oh, well. She's out here feeding the kitty that we inherited from somewhere. Chickens are doing fine.
Yeah.
We just got one that keeps escaping, and I don't know. It probably flies out. It's between
Up to the front.
up to the front.
Yeah, do you see it?
She's fine. She don't never go far. They hang out at the house. What I'm gonna have to do though, since we got these trailers all in the way and I can't get the tractor and the trailer over in this area and the pool's in the way, guess I'm gonna have to bring the lawnmower over here, back the tractor out, and lift the lawnmower up so I can see under it. But that's what's gonna happen. So I will be right back after I get everything ready. Let's see if we can see under there and find out what's going on. And look, guys, that's what I did. This one is upside down. I'm surprised it cut at all. That's what I did. I gotta let it down and lift it up and change it out. So let me get set up for that and I'll be right back. I must have been hot and tired when I got finished, so I put that blade on backwards. And it sure enough is. Thing takes a 15-16 socket. Got my electric hammer drill. So take that baby back off, change it around. Yep, that looks much better. No. Oh well, we have our days, don't we? Let me get up off the ground. It's getting warm out here already, guys. You're hot. Not too bad yet. It will be this evening. Well, let's see how it goes getting this thing back down now. Well, that's what it was, guys. We have our moments sometime. I know I do. Hello, baby girl. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, well, sit right here. Go swimming after a while? Yeah. Don't tell everybody bye for me? I'm glad it was something simple. I knew the deck pretty much couldn't have been out of whack because it wasn't last time I used it, and I didn't do nothing major to it to knock it out of whack. So I guess that's it for now, huh, Autumn? What's wrong?
Nothing.
Nothing. I'll take you for a ride on the tractor now, okay? She was upset because I wouldn't take her for a ride. But I was busy trying to make a video. Okay? Well, that's all from Pafford Homestead. We like you. We love you. And like, share, and subscribe. And what else do they do, Autumn? Hey, you paying attention to me?
What?
You paying attention to me?
Yeah.
What do they do?
Fly out.
This. Look at my hand.
I am.
Thumbs up, everybody. She can't take a hint. She's a woman. Look, she's a woman already. Say we love you.
We love you.
And y'all keep watching.
Y'all keep watching.
Now you're going to do what I tell you to do. Are you going to mock? You mocking me? Huh? You mocking me? Well, that's all from Pafford Homestead, and we love y'all. Thank you for watching. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. There's the new kitty.